This is our action-packed Athens itinerary. After wrapping up our Royal Caribbean Mediterranean cruise in Athens, we decided to extend our stay here. You can catch up on our full cruise experience over at our channel. But because we took a few days to recover from the absolute buzz of the cruise, we ended up doing Athens in one day.
You crazy?
The heart of ancient Greece and a vibrant modern city that blends history with stunning views, delicious food, and an exciting atmosphere. In this video, we'll show you how we did Athens in a day, from wandering through lush gardens to tasting authentic Greek cuisine and soaking in breathtaking views of the Acropolis.
I'm getting throwbacks from that time that we flew to a different state and back in one day. Full disclosure, this is totally out of order compared to what we actually did, but we wanted you to learn from our mistakes and make the most of your day in Athens. So we've moved a few events around for your benefit. We started our day with a stroll through the National Gardens of Athens. It's a total green oasis. You'll also walk past one of Athens' most striking buildings, Zarpion Hall, a neoclassical build constructed in honor of the modern Olympic Games. The garden is located right next to Syntagma Square, where you can catch a glimpse of the Hellenic Parliament building. Here you can even watch the changing of the guards, which happens every hour. We didn't catch it, but we did stumble across this, which appeared to be the changing of the old guard to the new. If you know what this is, please send help and comment below.
What the hell is going on here?
Next, we visited the Acropolis Museum, one of the best archaeological museums in the entire world. Home to thousands of ancient artifacts, this museum will give you a deeper understanding of the rich history of Athens and the Acropolis itself. It was time to refuel, so we had lunch at Theta, a charming little restaurant known for its fresh flavors and cozy atmosphere. The food here is fantastic, and you're in for a treat as you enjoy traditional Greek dishes like moussaka or fresh seafood. But the best part? We were joined by a friendly cat who seemed to enjoy the meal just as much as we did.
Of course, no trip to Athens is complete without seeing the Acropolis in person. Standing at the foot of the Parthenon, it's hard not to feel in awe of this ancient wonder. The site has been around for over 2,000 years and remains a site of Greek civilization. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes, especially because the rocks here can be very slippery, so take your time exploring. We are right at the top. Getting in was slightly chaotic, but we made it. And to be fair, there aren't that many tourists around, so we have a fairly unobstructed view of the Acropolis.
Yeah, just the scale is incredible.
Also, the lines are crazy. Make sure you arrive with plenty of time to navigate these and book your preferred time slot well in advance.
All right, we are climbing the stairs up to the rock. What is the rock? We're not really too sure, but we'll provide a voiceover.
This we later found out is the Areopagus Hill. Today, it is a popular tourist spot offering stunning views of the Acropolis and the city of Athens. Now, if you're looking for a more authentic taste of Greece, we recommend checking out Plaki Restaurant Athens, focused on Mediterranean and Greek seafood flavors, all made with the freshest ingredients, located in the heart of Athens' historic center. For a must-see experience, head to the Anglais rooftop. From here, you'll get an unforgettable panoramic view of the Acropolis. Imagine sipping a cocktail while gazing at the Acropolis towering above you. This is just one of the many rooftop bars in Athens that offer stunning views of the city, especially as the sun starts to set. Trust me, any rooftop will do. Make sure you watch the sunset from here.
This is the final video in our European honeymoon series, and it's really bittersweet to see that it's come to a close. When we were first starting to make these videos, it was just for us, like little time capsules of these incredible memories we were making. But looking back now, we realize how much this trip and sharing our journey has changed our lives. It's not just about the places we visited, but it's about capturing the joy and sharing these moments with you all. We are so proud of this collection of videos and we can't wait to keep adding more to it. We have an entire Italy series for you to take a look at, plus our Mediterranean cruise. We've got tons more content to share and we're excited to bring you all along on the ride with us. If you're craving something sweet after your rooftop cocktail, it's time for ice cream. We went to Kayak Ice Cream. Whether you prefer classic chocolate or vanilla or even more exotic flavors, they had something to satisfy every sweet tooth. While you're in Athens, there is no shortage of things to do. If you're interested in more history, the Temple of Olympian Zeus and the ancient Agora are both nearby and offer a fascinating glimpse into Athens' ancient past. If you're into shopping, head to Ermu Street for a mixture of high-end and local business goods. And don't forget to walk through Syntagma Square, where you'll find a blend of history and culture and street markets selling everything from antiques to handmade goods.
So there you have it, a perfect day in Athens filled with history, great food, and unforgettable experiences. From exploring ancient ruins to enjoying a rooftop view, Athens is a city that's sure to leave you with memories that'll last a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button for more travel adventures. We'll see you in the next one.